Hey guys, it's elusive. So this video is gonna be a little bit different per se. So as y'all know, I always do Moto Monday. It's something that I do every Monday. Yeah, Moto Monday. Why are we starting off Moto Monday a little bit differently? Well, I started vlogging and doing Moto Monday as something to have for my family, but lately we have just been killing it. Actually, y'all have just been killing it by, really becoming, more attracted to my channel and watching my videos. Those who have stuck around and have been paying attention to my vlogs, then you'll know that with my first Dyna, Salem, unfortunately, we were in a motorcycle accident. I can't really go into too much detail with that, because I am in a active lawsuit, and it's something that I've been in for a very long time, and it's been very difficult having to deal with that. There's been a lot of complications with my physical along with my mental and just everything else. Even financially, it's been very difficult. After having a conversation with my lawyer, um we thought it'd be best if I went ahead and took a break from making videos of me riding. Explain a little bit more on why there's going to be some changes for Moto Monday. Um, Mentally, I'm still recovering, and physically, I'm also still recovering. Now, I understand that from the point of view that I play my videos and I record, everything comes off as if I'm fine and perfect per se, but that's not the case. I mean, things aren't always as they seem when reality is revealed, and the truth in reality is I'm somebody who still deals with a lot of issues. Physically, I have a lot of issues and restrictions to this day. I mean, my first accident was a year ago, and it was very difficult dealing with that. Physically, I am not 100%. I don't know if I will ever be 100% like I was before, and the likely chance of me being 100% again is low to none. And then there's also the mental aspect of that. Mentally, I still have a lot of issues going on. I have a lot of PTSD and brain fog as that, and a little bit more of other things going on. And I'll go into a detailed video on this, and we can go ahead and have that discussion when we do have that discussion. I'm not going to just drop content for y'all. What I want to do for Moto Monday is I want to go ahead and get into the aspect of what I would like to show, and that's wrenching. I feel like I've started to drift in that direction a little bit more. I know that I kind of show little clips in there of me wrenching and, working on my bike and showing y'all the progress of me building this bike when it comes to being somebody who is not a certified technician. I've never gone to a mechanic school to learn how to work on my bike. Do I have previous history of learning? A little bit. I have a head start because as y'all know, I am somebody who worked at Harley Davidson, and I worked there for a while, and I learned a lot from technicians. Instead of technicians just doing the work for me, they made me do the work myself, and they implemented the idea in my head to learn how to work on my own bike. So with that being said, I want to be able to kind of do the same for y'all. I feel like as a person who owns a motorcycle, if you do own a motorcycle, you should learn how to maintenance and maintain and work on your bike. And practice makes perfect. And as of right now, these videos is a little bit more of a practice for me. And it gives me the ability to where if I do watch my videos back, I can see if there's any mistakes that I made in the previous video. So then when I make the next one, I don't make that same mistake again. I want to do everything little by little. I need to go ahead and get new tires because my tires are starting to get low and worn, and just it's come to the point to where my tires are getting so bad on the bike that even riding in the rain, I have a little bit trouble. I mean, I have to put my foot down sometimes because I don't want the bike to fishtail and just, fly out from under me or something like that. And I have to really focus on keeping the balance and all that sorts. And we need tires, and we're going to need brakes. If we're going to do tires, we might as well just do brakes. Plus, we're going to need brakes anyways. And this is a pre-owned bike, so we are going to need to replace the rotors because the rotors are starting to become warped as well. And I am an advocate on doing your maintenance. And this is a channel to where we can learn and grow together and learn everything together and experience things together. So with that being said, if we're going to make videos on maintenance, we might as well do it together. And yeah, just stuff like that, like basic oil changes and fluid flushes and stuff like that. Just maintaining everything that we can. While we're at it, also to mention, I'm moving. The current place I live in, I'm moving from there, and it's been taking a little bit of time. That kind of explains why my room is empty and a little bit of a mess, but I am moving. So we'll have our own garage to where I'll be able to have both of my bikes in there and my truck, and I'll be able to, do some pretty interesting things with this garage. I'm going to try and upload every Monday throughout, the week and all that. So every Monday I'm going to try and upload. Now, another thing that I wanted to go ahead and say, when it comes to the growth of my channel, like I said, I have not been looking into making this a career. But within a week to two, it has grown so quick. And we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Unfucking believable. I very much appreciate y'all, and I'm very thankful and blessed to even get that amount of viewing and following. I'm very grateful for y'all, and I am just amazed at what y'all have done. So to show my appreciation, we're going to be doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, we'll announce a giveaway. I will announce the start and the end date for that. In the giveaway, we're going to be giving out a Hart backpack with $500 cash and a part in there as well. Now, in order to get entered into the video or into the giveaway, to be subscribed, leave a like, comment your channel name with your email, and you have to reference somebody, and then you're entered in the giveaway. I will go ahead and send you an email letting you know that you're the winner. And from there, I will contact you. I will get personal information from you then. And when I do, either I will ship it out to you if you're somebody who is out of state. If you're local, depending how far you are, I will come out to where you are at, and I'll give you the giveaway there, and you'll be in the video as well when I do that. But yeah, if you're not subscribed and you like my content and you like my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Give me some feedback as well. If you're a returning viewer, thank you for sticking around. Let me know what y'all want to see, what y'all want to hear, and stuff like that. I wish y'all the best. If it's morning for you, good morning. good day and good night. Be safe out there, and always remember that you guys are the best. Appreciate it.